Are you looking for the best wood routers? In this video we will look at some of the best wood routers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Luodabie Electric Wood Router. The luodabie Electric Wood Router is a powerful and versatile tool designed for woodworking enthusiasts and professionals. With its 800W/2000W electric motor, this tool is capable of high-performance woodworking tasks such as milling, engraving, slotting, and trimming. Featuring a robust construction and reliable performance, the luodabie Electric Wood Router allows users to shape and create intricate designs on wood surfaces. Whether it's crafting furniture, cabinetry, or decorative pieces, this tool provides precise and accurate results. Number 2. LYUWO Woodworking Electric Trimmer. The LYUWO Woodworking Electric Trimmer is a versatile and convenient tool designed for woodworking enthusiasts and professionals. With its 20V wireless rechargeable design, this trimmer offers flexibility and mobility during woodworking projects. Equipped with a powerful electric motor, the LYUWO Woodworking Electric Trimmer is capable of various woodworking tasks, including wood milling, slotting, and manual engraving. It allows users to shape and create intricate designs on wood surfaces with precision and accuracy. Number 3. VEVOR Router. The VEVOR Router is a powerful and reliable tool designed for woodworking professionals and hobbyists. With its high-speed motor operating at 30,000 RPM, this router offers exceptional performance and precision for a range of woodworking tasks, such as trimming, grooving, and carving. Designed with the needs of carpenters in mind, the VEVOR Router provides a dependable tool for shaping and creating intricate designs on wood materials. Its versatile functionality allows for precise and accurate results, making it suitable for a wide range of woodworking projects. Number 4. WOYOFADA Cordless Electric Wood Router. The WOYOFADA Cordless Electric Wood Router is a versatile and portable tool designed for woodworking enthusiasts and professionals. Featuring an 18V cordless design, this router provides freedom of movement and convenience, allowing woodworkers to work without the restriction of cords or power outlets. With its cordless electric trimmer functionality, the WOYOFADA Wood Router offers precision and control during woodworking tasks. It is suitable for various applications such as engraving, slotting, trimming, and carving, allowing users to create intricate designs on wood surfaces. Number 5. PTClub Electric Trimmer Router. The PTClub Electric Trimmer Router is a versatile and powerful tool designed for carpentry and woodworking projects. With its 710W motor, this router offers reliable performance and precise functionality for various woodworking tasks, including wood milling, manual trimming, and laminate trimming. Equipped with an electric trimmer feature, the PTClub Electric Trimmer Router allows users to achieve clean and accurate cuts on wood materials. Its high-speed motor ensures efficient trimming, enhancing the overall quality of woodworking projects.